Hey guys, Dr. Grady with Restoration Chiropractic. Just wanted to show you guys some more tools that we use to assess our practice members. This is sEMG, or surface electromyography. Very similar to an EKG, which they use to measure heart function, but this is measuring the electrical activity in the muscle. NASA actually used the same technology to assess the spinal musculature of astronauts. Now we know that these spinal bones can shift out of proper alignment, and when that happens, it puts stress and tension on our nervous system, which puts the body in a state of dis-ease. Now we know that those spinal muscles are very good at maintaining our posture as well as stabilizing the spine. So when we measure the muscles on both sides of the spine, we can see how they are reacting to that stress. We can see if those muscles are working too hard, if they're not working hard enough, or if one side's working harder than the other. So a quick demonstration, I'm going to use just one of the sensors on my forearm to show you how it works. I want you guys to pay attention to this little box up here. So I put it on my forearm, and my forearm is relaxed, so you can see it's not picking up a whole lot of electrical activity. Now I contract, and it spikes. So relax, contract, relax, contract. So you guys can kind of see how that works. Now let's look at an abnormal scan. An abnormal scan can tell us a few things. It could tell us that, hey, we have abnormal motor nerve function, which is causing those muscles to either contract or relax. It could also tell us that the body is compensating from an injury and we're pulling those spinal bones away. Bottom line is we can see that there's a whole bunch of wasted energy when the body is in a state of out of balance and under tension. So this same practice member, after being well adjusted, you can see that there is those muscles are working a lot more the way we want them to, as well as a lot less wasted energy. So that's all I have for you guys on the sEMG. If you have any questions, please comment below. Next week, I'm going to try to find some good before and after chiropractic care x-rays that we can analyze, and so be on the lookout for that video. Again, I'm Dr. Grady Goff with Restoration Chiropractic.